Hello and welcome back to Unit 2 Handling Data 2. In this video we will give a further explanation about quantitative data. In previous tutorials we were talking about the types of data and we said that we have quantitative and we have qualitative. This video is dedicated for the sake of explanation about what is quantitative, or in other words, numerical. Quantitative data may be discrete or continuous. Discrete data are measurements collected from a source that can be listed and counted, such as the number of cars, members of a family, number of students in a class. It is basically something that is not going to change and can be counted. You can count them and list them. While the continuous data are measurements collected from a source that cannot be listed and counted. It's basically something that you cannot put on paper since it is not countable, such as age, height, and temperature. You cannot say that this person is 16 years old and is going to stay 16 years old forever, since he or she is going to grow up with age. Same thing goes for height, since height is not stable and also changes with time. And also for the temperature, since temperature is not stable all year around. It may vary from 10 to 20 to 30 to even 40 degrees depending on the season and on the time. So that's basically the main difference between discrete and continuous. It basically depends on the fact that if it changes with time or not. And that would be all for our explanation. I'll see you in the next one.